Hello everyone. In today's video, we will go through much and many. They refer to a large amount of something. However, we use them in different ways. Much refers to uncountable nouns. Many refers to countable nouns. We use much when we talk about uncountable nouns. We use many when we talk about countable nouns. Let's see by example. How many oranges are there in the basket? How many oranges are there in the basket? The question is about oranges. And oranges are countable. So we will use many. How many oranges are there in the basket? Let's practice example 2. How much sugar is there in the sugar pot? The question is about sugar. And sugar is uncountable, so we will use much. How much sugar is there in the sugar pot? How much sugar is there in the sugar pot? Till now, we have seen use of many with countable and much with uncountable nouns. Let's practice some more examples. 1. He does not drink dash water. He does not drink dash water. As I am talking about water, I have said he does not drink dash water. Water refers to uncountable noun. I cannot count how much water he has drunk. So, from hint, it is clear that he does not drink much water. Example 2. How dash money do you have in your wallet? How blank money do you have in your wallet? How much money? No, we will not use much. We will use how many money do you have in your wallet? As money is uncountable noun. Money is uncountable noun. Interesting thing here is we cannot count money. We cannot say 1 money, 2 money. We count currency. 2 rupees, 3 rupees, $1. So, how dash times have you been to Islamabad? Here, it refers how many times. It's mean how often you have visited Islamabad. So, we will use how many times have you been to Islamabad. Example 4. How dash time do you need to complete your work? How dash time do you need to complete your work? How much time do you need to complete your work? Because it is a fixed time which we need to complete our work. So therefore we will use how dash time do you need to complete your work. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want more such kind of videos, then subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon for getting notifications of latest videos. Also like the videos and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.